Hello and welcome to Investing in Us. Under this video, we will talk about how to launch a water purification business with a small water treatment machine. Here, it is about a machine that will help you treat water and put them in the epidon of 5 liters, 2 liters, 10 liters, obviously, 20 liters, and sell them and make a profit. So stay till the end of this video. We'll demonstrate the machine, demonstrate how the machine works, how to maintain the machine, and how to install this machine. Less than $12,000. So contact us to get information on how to start this processing business. To the registered, hello friends, today we're going to show you how this 5,000 liter water treatment plant, how the containers work. We will show you how to do the maintenance of this machine. What you see here is the engine that pumps water from your borehole, which will pump it into these filters here. So that's how it's going to pump water from this pump. It's going to pump water into these filters so it can be clean. When the rainwater is really brought to this tank, which is a carbon tank, which will be used to remove any impurities in the water that is in the water. You took from there and purify that water. It will remove impurities, it will remove rocks and other bacteria in the water. And on this technology, we use a carbonizing technology. This technology is used to clean and filter water, and finally have filtered water with ultra technological system. So it's like that how we will treat water with these machines you see there. And then on the other side to the right, we have a pressure pump, and this pump will pump water as you see and bring it inside these tanks. And this pump uses a pressure that is quick so that the water can be processed quickly. And the water that's pumped with high pressure will be treated in these pipes. And with the release system, it's truly great technology that will help you the temperature to also check the water's pH and see if the water has been well treated on the screen. Patios, please. Really acceptable. It's like that how we deal with water. Our second part consists of how to maintain or do the maintenance of this machine. So as you saw, the valves are on your left. To start maintenance, first shut the valves. So you turn these valves to the right to get ready for maintenance. So to clean the tanks, you need to set the valves to the position the gentleman is showing you. And you see, this is the pollution from within. And afterwards, you need to use the user chemically to clean the tanks. So it's the chemical team. We can give you the names of these chemical liquids, but you'll just add a little. And in the buckets, you must have at least 1.5 liters of water and mix with just a cup of eggs of this chemical liquid substance that will help to clean. So these are the filters. The water filters, that's what's used to filter the nuts. Every month, you need to remove the filters, and that's how you remove them, to change the filters. You'll start changing these filters every month. So that's what will allow you to have clean water. So you need to change the filters. And the gentlemen here are showing how to change these filters. And it's really very easy. You open and put back. You can pay for the filters directly from us, or on site in your country, there are filters too. And you can change And it's important to know that these titles are changed every month. In water treatment, you need to know the TDS level of the water production. So here we have incorporated the TDS value. So here, for increase the TDS as you turn left, and then to reduce the TDS level of the water, you turn to the right. So that's how we control the TDS. So since this machine is from 5 to 1000 liters per hour, you need 5 membranes. So these are the candies that are set up down below. These membranes, they are used for clean and really clean lots to get a very good result. That's how membranes are exchanged or replaced, and watch the gentleman as he is demonstrating. So watch carefully how the show is opening up to install the membrane. Like I said, you need to put that black girl there to assist the facility so the membranes can properly enter. As I mentioned at the beginning, we have 5 membranes. So that's how you install the membrane. And really, this is a very important part of water treatment. It will really help you to treat very well. So it's really easy to replace that membrane, as you can see in the video. On the other side, we have the pressure control. It's a machine that controls the membrane pressure. This shows, it reviews how the membranes are working, and it will tell us if the membranes are working very well. So it gives us the speed of the membranes, how the membrane works. So it's like this: you can have a system that cleans water and removes all the rocks, all the substances that are not very good for asphalt. So thank you.